Highlighting performance definitions. When it comes to analyzing a piece of writing and determining where the student falls on the performance definitions, you will want to do the following. Step 1. Read the student's paper one time for general understanding of what the student wrote. Step 2. Read the student's paper again. This time, focus on the meaning behind the paper and the overall assignment of what the student was supposed to do as a writer. Step 3. Now, have next to you the WIDA performance definitions or the writing rubric. Both documents work in a similar manner. Since you have read the student's paper twice already, you will have a good understanding of the sentence structure. Let's look at the linguistic complexity column. For example, the student wrote with single words or phrases such as boy or the boy run. If these were the phrases written, I would highlight either level 1, entering, due to the student only writing one word or a chunk of words. Or, did the student write, the boy run fast and he run home? In this case, I could highlight level 2 emerging because I saw emerging expression of ideas and evidence of short sentences. But also, if you felt this sentence was evidence of an expanded sentence, then highlight level 3 developing. Keep in mind this document and the highlights you make are for you. When you highlight where the student is now, then you have a sense of where to take them in their writing. For example, if you did highlight level 2 emerging, and you felt that it really wasn't a good example of expanded sentences, then you now know what to model in your writing demonstrations, keeping that student in mind. You might also say, notice how I expanded this sentence, watch how I do it again, and then in your writing, you can try it on. Now, let's take a look at the column on language forms and conventions. According to Wikipedia, grammar is the set of structural rules governing the composition of clauses, phrases, and words in any given natural language. The term refers also to the study of such rules, and this field, including morphology, syntax, and phonology, often complemented by phonetics, semantics, and pragmatics. This is where you analyze for pieces such as basic structures, repeating sentences, changing verb tenses, and so on. Finally, let's look at the vocabulary usage column. Students who are at a level 1 entering write using very basic vocabulary, such as everyday words they hear or remember writing from previous grades. As students move up towards level 5 bridging, you will see them begin to use words they learn in other content areas, although maybe not in the correct form. As they learn figurative language structures, you will see this approximated, and then you will see the more technical and abstract language being approximated. When you see students taking on the smallest amount of learning from your writing demonstrations, you will want to push them further in their understandings and developing higher expectations in the levels of performance definitions.